Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir-fry bok choy. First, let's get our bok choy ready. Begin by washing each head thoroughly under cold, running water to remove any dirt. Then, carefully separate the crisp white stems from the vibrant green leaves. Slice the stems into uniform 1-inch pieces and roughly chop the leaves into larger 2-inch sections. This careful preparation ensures even cooking and a delightful texture in your finished dish. It's a crucial first step for a perfect stir-fry. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or a spacious skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely grated ginger. Stir-fry these fragrant aromatics for approximately 30 seconds. You'll notice a wonderful aroma filling your kitchen. Be careful not to let them burn, as this can make them bitter. This step infuses the oil with incredible taste. Next, it's time to cook our bok choy to perfection. Add the sliced white bok choy stems to your hot wok first. Stir-fry them for about 2 minutes, allowing them to become slightly tender crisp. The stems take a little longer to cook, so they go in first. Then, add the chopped green bok choy leaves. Continue to stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes, just until the leaves are beautifully wilted and bright green. This quick cooking preserves their fresh texture and vibrant color. Finally, let's add that irresistible finishing touch. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of savory soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of aromatic sesame oil. This simple sauce will elevate the flavors of your bok choy. Pour the prepared sauce evenly over the cooked bok choy in the wok. Gently toss everything together for about 15 seconds, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated. Serve your delicious stir-fried bok choy immediately as a fantastic side dish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.